Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing off the Raycon The Work speaker, and you can get this to couple with your The Work headphones or The Work earbuds. They have a whole series of The Work audio products, and this is the collaboration speaker. Right here is the power button. We're going to turn it on, and then you'll be able to see how this
Raycon.
sounds.
Power on. Pairing mode.
And now it's in pairing mode right away. You have the microphone mute, audio plus, audio minus, so increase volume, decrease volume. And you have your answering of the phone button right here. And this has a battery included.
Bass sound.
So you're all set up here, and it comes with this travel kit. So that's nice. And here's some more information about the device. This will be in the description below, but you can go ahead and pause the video anytime. It has 360-degree audio. It has voice direction indicator, so you know exactly where the person's talking from, and it will beam form a microphone, and it will show up over here if the person's talking from this side. So if there's other things happening over here, it will actually just listen from over here. So that's nice to have, and it's battery powered, wireless, so you can use this in an office, or you can use this at home, or you can use this on the go. So that's nice. It's not just work from home, it's work from anywhere. You can get this now from Raycon. They also have other work products, especially the headphones and the earbuds, which are great too. And this is the speakerphone option. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.